Did not enjoy the service, the food or the place as it was extremely noisy. Okay, we'll find out if it's a restaurant or a rave party. Food is okay or okay, we'll find out. Golden, tender and juicy inside. What is this? मजा आ गया. So let's find out if Balami binge worthy or I should just bounce. Hello, welcome back to another episode of Binge or Bounce, where we test the trendiest spots in town and tell you if it's worth a visit or not. My name is Clary John and I am at Balami in BKC. So Balami has been getting some mixed reviews and I'm going to read out some real customer reviews and put this place through the clarity test and rate this place on food quality, service, ambience and value for money. The first review says, food is okay, not something outstanding. Whenever you try to book this place, it's always full. Okay, food is okay or okay, we'll find out. And what is this, like a magic trick to keep the place full? The next review says, the food that we ordered was cold, so we requested the waiter to heat and give us the food. But no one came to our table, so we just had to eat the cold food. Okay, that's a red flag. I just hope I don't end up in this scenario today. Another one says, did not enjoy the service, the food or the place as it was extremely noisy. Okay, we'll find out if it's a restaurant or a rave party. The first review said the food is okay and that it's always packed when they book. So I decided to order a bunch of dishes to test it out myself. Let's see how it really is. First up, the lemon and crab sushi. This is just incredible. That looks too good, no? Then go hit that button, like, share and subscribe. This lemon crab sushi is just too good. So I'm gonna go finish that last bite. Meanwhile, you go and subscribe. I'll be right here waiting. The freshness of the crab combined with the tangy lemon zest is a perfect balance. Then, the karage chicken. It's golden, tender and juicy inside, packed with flavor. The chili basil curry and rice, just too good. The curry has a rich aromatic spice with a touch of sweetness and the rice is just comforting. The mocktail purple haze is smooth, refreshing with a nice fruity kick. Everything just looks so damn good. Honestly, the food is definitely not the bad kind of okay, but the good kind of okay. Thumbs up from me for sure. About that always full review, I had no trouble getting a table today, so that's definitely a win. Another review mentioned the food was cold, but the Philadelphia cheese balls came out steaming hot and fresh. And they were absolutely amazing. With that creamy cheese filling, just so good. मजा आ गया. आपको भी मजा आ रहा है ना? So then hit that button, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Finally, someone said the service was bad and the place was noisy. Well, I have to completely disagree. The service here is exceptional, attentive, without being overbearing. The staff goes above and beyond to make you feel welcome. And they're quick to make sure everything is just right. It truly adds to the overall experience. The vibe here is great too. The music is nice and you can kind of vibe and groove with it. It really sets the mood without being too loud. It's the perfect atmosphere to enjoy your meal. And I can't forget about the 10-layer chocolate Nutella cake. This dessert is just next level. Each layer is rich with Nutella and the chocolate cake is moist and perfectly balanced with a slight sweetness. It's indulgent, creamy and the perfect end to the meal. Now about the bill. My total came to 6,248. They're on the pricier side, but they don't charge a service tax, which is a nice touch. And honestly, I think the price is worth the experience. So based on the clarity test, food quality gets a solid 5, service gets a 5 for being so warm and attentive, and ambience, well, I would give it a 10 on a scale of 5 if I could. The interiors are absolutely stunning. As for value for money, I would rate it a 4 because of the prices, but still worth it for the overall experience. So Balami has definitely passed the clarity test. The food is great and it's definitely on the pricier side, but if you're looking for something fancy, stunning interiors and that larger than life ambience, it's definitely worth the visit. That's it for Clarity Test today. Let me know in the comments if you're team binge or team bounce. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this video with all your friends.